Yo, what's up everybody, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to get Gorilla Tag mods, the ALVR method. If you don't know what ALVR is, it's basically kind of the same as Steam Link, but it's kind of easier to manage, and you can change your settings a lot quicker. So, yeah, let's just get straight into it. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open up your browser of choice. Me personally, I use Opera GX, so I have a VPN protector, so I don't download any viruses. And what you're going to want to do is search up ALVR. Once you search that, you should see this GitHub link. Every link that is used will be in the description. You're going to want to go to releases down here and click on the latest release and download the APK right here. Once you've done that, it should install. What you're going to want to do next is make sure that you do have Steam installed as well as Gorilla Tag installed on Steam, which it is $20 to get Gorilla Tag on Steam, but it also comes with an extra 5,000 shiny rocks. So, yeah. Once you make sure that you have all of that, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to your Gorilla Tag. You're going to want to go over here. You're going to want to go to Manage, Browse Local Files. And then you're going to want to click BepInEx, Plugins, and then you should see nothing here. This is where you're going to put all the mods that you want. So I'm going to put a random mod in this. I'll put the Bark mod menu in the description so you can install that. Once you've installed that, you're going to want to drag it into here. Another thing that you can do is you can also download something called Banana, which I think you can get off of the Gorilla Tag modding community Discord, or just download Monkey Mod Manager off the Discord. Both of them work perfectly fine, and you're going to want to press install there, and you can manage your BepInEx and your plugins from there a lot easier and faster. Once you've done that, you're going to want to get on your headset and download something called ALVR. You want to click on the shop and then download ALVR. And once you've done that, it should put you on something that says press trust on your PC. So load up ALVR on your computer. It should say ALVR dashboard. And you should see something new wireless devices, or you can do wired connection or wireless. If you're doing wireless, it should say your headset ID here, and then you can press trust. And then it should add it to trusted wireless devices, or you can add it manually. I can't talk. Sorry, I'm very sick, guys. You're also going to want to make sure that you have Steam VR installed, which you can also get off the Steam store. And then you're going to want to press launch Steam VR. And then once you've done all that, it should load you up to the Steam menu where you would be if you were using Steam Link. So that's all for the tutorial. Let me know if this helped you guys out. If it did, please comment down, and also comment down below if it didn't work, and I'll try and see if I said anything wrong or fix anything that I said wrong in a different video. But that's all for today's video, guys. Peace out, and yeah, go watch my other videos. Bye, guys.